Hello and welcome to my channel ciliaplus.com, a house of creativity where I talk about beauty, style, events and food. In today's video I'm going to show you 5 basic tools that you need to get started as a bead maker, 5 essential tools that you need to get started as a bead maker. If this is your first time of tuning into my channel, you're very much welcome. Thank you very much. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell button so you get notifications on all and any of my videos. Okay, so let's get started. Now we're talking about 5 essential tools that you need to get started as a bead maker. So our number 1 is our bead design board. This is called the bead design board, guys. If you look, it has measurement guide to follow, it has compartments, it has a curvy neckline that helps the bead to sit on the neck of the client, the customer, or the individual that is going to wear the bead or the necklace. It has compartments for you to you just pick all the colors or shapes of the type of bead that you want to use to make a particular necklace, and then accessories that you want to add to that necklace. These are the compartments for you to put them, and then when you're done putting them in the compartments, then you just arrange them according to how many layers, how many steps of how many layers the necklace is going to be. This is just a 3-step layer for this video. There are more layers of a bead design board. It comes in 5, so many layers or step, whatever you want to call it. And then it has measurement guides to follow. Let's say you want to make a size 16 beaded necklace. You take a size 8 measurement on the right and size 8 measurement on the left, and then you give room for extensions. Okay, so basically that's what it does. Compartments for easy access, neckline, curvy neckline shape for that beaded necklace to sit very well on the neck of the client, and the measurement guide to follow. So this is very important, guys. You need this to be able to start your bead making business. Okay, so our number 2 is a bead mat. This is also very important, guys. If you look closely, you see and notice that it's soft. It looks soft and it's actually soft. It's kind of like a foamy material, a foamy fabric. It helps your bead to just sit in place and not, like scatter about all over the place. It's very important when you're making beaded necklace, so you're gonna need this. This is our number 2. And then you're gonna need a phone, which is kind of your album. This is just automatically going to be like your album. You're going to need a phone to take pictures of any beads that you're making, so you can always show a client, a customer, whenever they so they can see the designs that you have, the design that you've already made. So you need a phone to do that. So that's our number 3. And then our number 4 is a bead display stand. A bead display stand. So this is our display stand, and as you can see, I already have my beads that I displayed on the stand, as you can see. So you're going to need one. That's our number 4. And then the last of the Mohicans, which is actually a very important tool for in the bead making business, that is your pliers. Pliers are considered like for a fashion designer, their sewing machine. Apart from the material, the fabric that a fashion designer is going to use to make a particular outfit, the sewing machine is most important, because that helps you to stitch the clothes, put the clothes together. So also is your pliers. Your pliers are like your sewing machine. They can be likened to a sewing machine for for a bead maker. So this is called a wire cutter. This is a wire cutter. It's quite sharp. You use it to cut the wires that you're using to make your beads. And this is a cream plier. If you look closely on the inside, it's quite rough. It has some rough edges on the inside. It helps you to crimp on your and give you that finished look. And this is called a flat nose pliers. As you can see, it's flat on the outside and flat on the inside too. This is a little bit rough on the inside, but they're both flat nose pliers. I brought two. I have more different sizes and of the same pliers. These are flat nose pliers. Okay, so these are round nose pliers. As you can see, this one is longer, this is shorter. If you look closely, you notice that this is shorter but it's a little bit fat. This is longer but it's a little bit thin. So it depends on what the size that you want to work with. You can use the upper part of the thin one or the lower part, or you use the upper part of the short one or the lower part. But they're both round nose pliers. And this is called a flush cutter. As you can see, it's called a flush cutter. It has a sharp end on top of it and by the side too. And this is called a chain plier. So that's basically it for this video. Number one, we talked about the bead design board. Number two, we talked about the foam mat. Number three, we talked about having your phone as your album. We have number four, we talked about having a bead display stand. And then number five, your pliers, which are 5 in numbers: your cream pliers, your cutter, your flush cutter, your round nose plier, your flat nose plier, and your chain cutter. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for staying tuned to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for clicking on that bell button. Please be sure to comment, like, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.